Hey everybody, welcome back to Helpful Journey. Today I'm going to show you my go-to bubble crap strategy. If you're looking to slowly build a bankroll or hit a hot streak and take the cash and run, this strategy is for you. Let's dive in. Now, let me be clear. This strategy is not for live craps tables. It's specifically designed for bubble craps, which allows $1 pass line bets and pays payouts to the penny. I'm going to be demonstrating it on a realistic craps table that I spread out on the floor. I've got chips, I've got the puck, I've got dice. So this is going to be a realistic. This strategy works because bubble craps let you bet as little as $1 on the pass line and gives you precise payouts to the penny. It's all about keeping your bets small to protect your bankroll while taking advantage of longer rolls before the 7 comes up. The idea is to spread your bets across the most numbers so you can win on almost every roll. When the dice are hot, those wins add up and offset any losses when the 7 eventually hits. At the same time, I don't invest too much at once because the 7 comes up quickly during many of the rolls. To start, I place a $1 pass line bet and roll to set the point. Once the point is established, we'll build the rest of our bets. Now that the point is set, I place dollar bets on all the numbers 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 10, except the point, since that's already covered by the pass line. This spread lets me win on nearly every roll. Here's why this spread is so effective. The 4 and 10 pays $1.98, the 5 and 9 pays $1.50, and the 6 and 8 pays $1.16. With bubble craps paying to the penny, you get the exact winnings without rounding, so every little bit adds up. This setup covers almost every roll, so small wins help build the bankroll over time. So when I hit the 6 or 8, I press the number by $1, but just once. This gives me a chance to win a little extra while keeping my risk low. And remember, if my bankroll drops below $20, I stop pressing entirely. If my bankroll drops to $20, I stop placing bets on the 4 and 10. These numbers have higher payouts but hit less often, so I focus on the inside numbers 5, 6, 8, and 9. Once I climb back up to and over $50, I immediately add the 4 and 10 back to the spread, but not until. I want to build that bankroll back up as quickly as I can, so then I can start adding additional bets. When my bankroll hits $60, I start adding $1 odds bets on the pass line point. Odds bets offer the best payout in craps. Say that 10 times. Odds bets offer best payouts in craps. Odds bets offer the best payouts in craps. If I drop back below $50, I stop placing odds bets to protect my bankroll. My goal is to cash out at $100. Once I hit that, I might let it ride just a little if the machine is hot, but I always stay disciplined. Knowing when to walk away is key to winning in this strategy. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to Helpful Journey, and hit the bell for more Vegas tips and tricks. Until next time, may the dice roll in your favor.